In this video, we'll show you how to register new customers. Customers are the source of your income. You must register each customer you sell to as a customer card. Customer cards hold the information that is required to sell products to the customer. Before you can register new customers, you must set up various sales codes that you can select from when you fill in customer cards. Choose Customers from the Role Center or search for customers in the top right hand of the page. In the Customers window, choose the New action. If you have created templates for customers, you will now be asked to pick one. If not, the default template will automatically be selected. In the Select a Template for New Customer window, choose the template that you want to use for the new customer card. You can create one here now if you wish to do so by clicking the New in the Actions tab. Choose the OK button. A new customer card opens with some fields filled with information from the template. Proceed to fill in or change fields on the customer card as necessary. The customer card is ready to be used on sales documents. If you want to use this customer card as a template when you create new customer cards, you can save it as a template. In order to do this, choose the Save As Template action in the Actions tab of the ribbon. The Customer Template window opens, showing the customer card as a template. When you have completed the new customer template, choose the OK button. The customer template is added to the list so that you can use it to create new customer cards going forward.